Sobrang bagal na ba ng laptop mo? Baka naka-Windows XP ka pa kaya sobrang bagal na ng laptop mo o kaya Windows 95. So, there are different types of OS. And tara, let's get started. So, OS, this is the operating system which is the soul of our computer or our phone or our PC. So, upgrading our OS involves changing the core files and the settings of your computer, which can really cause data corruption or data loss if hindi natin na-transfer na yung files natin ng maayos. It is really essential na mag-backup tayo ng mga files natin, important data natin before tayo mag-proceed ng upgrade sa OS natin. So let's just discuss three OS: Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. So Windows OS muna tayo, Windows 10 or 11. So ito yung pinaka-common na ginagamit natin, which is really compatible sa karamihan ng mga software at sa mga games natin. So best siya for gamers, for office work, general users. So actually, Windows yun, Windows 10, 11, 11 Pro. So ito na yung pinaka updated sa generation natin right now. Meanwhile, sa Mac OS, so ito ginagamit ng mga MacBooks, iMacs. Maganda to for video editing, for camera, music production, creative users. At the same time, what's good about MacBooks is ang mga MacBooks lightweight siya compared to other laptops. For Mac OS, so maganda siya for content creators or designers and video editors. Lastly is Linux, Linux to Fedora, Arc. So I'm not medyo familiar about these OS, pero these are more on developers sa cybersecurity and advanced users. Mga diniscuss natin is more on the common na ginagamit natin. So if you don't know how to upgrade your OS, then go for a technician who can really help you to upgrade your OS to the updated version or updated Windows. So if you want more of these, make sure to follow, comment, and react.